Hey everyone, Miss Negron here. Today we're going to be talking about translations on a figure in geometry. So what is a translation? A translation is when you slide a figure in any direction, left, right, up, or down. Here we have our pre-image or original image, triangle ABC, and after we translate it, we then get our prime image of triangle ABC prime, which can be represented using apostrophes next to each letter. The notation of a translation is the capital letter T with H and K in the subscript. So H is going to be the value that you add to your X coordinate to move your figure either to the right or to the left. And your K value is the value that you add to your Y coordinate to move your figure either up or down. Because we're only sliding an image, both distance and angle measure are preserved. Therefore, your pre-image and prime image will be congruent. The order in which you read your coordinate points, also known as orientation, is preserved. So because your pre-image and prime image are congruent under a translation is known as a rigid motion or isometry. We will be discussing other rigid motions and isometries in other videos. So to graph a translation on a coordinate grid, you want to ask yourself, is your translation moving your image left, right, up, or down? For this specific example, it says to translate triangle ABC, -7, -6, to create triangle ABC prime. So the -7 represents I am moving my figure 7 units to the left, and the -6 represents moving my figure 6 units down. So what you can do is combine your units of translation with each coordinate point. So if we take a look at A, 4 minus 7 and 2 minus 6 will give us A prime is -3, -4. If I do the same thing to coordinate B, I get B prime is 1, -2, and the same thing to coordinate C would give me C prime is -2, 1. So when you're graphing it, you are going to move your figure 7 units to the left and then 6 units down, which lines up with the values we just found in our table. Let's do one more example. Here it says graph triangle ABC prime is the image created after triangle ABC undergoes a translation of 9, 7, which represents moving the image 9 units to the right and then 7 units up. And if we were to do the same pattern in our table, adding our 9 and 7 to each coordinate point given to us, A prime will be 0, 4, B prime will be 4, 6, and C prime will be 1, 9, which lines up with our diagram. So that is all about translations, and thank you for watching. If you have any other questions about other transformations, please check out the other videos on my channel.